Howdy, hey, hello there! I was digging through a box of stuff that my parents brought over that was my stuff at their house. Sorry, Mom and Dad, but your house is bigger than mine. And I found a kit that I had abandoned in April of 2009 because the kit didn't come with enough fabric for me to do what they wanted me to do. So I was frustrated with it. I had just started quilting at that stage. Wow, 8 years ago. No, 9 years ago. Holy cow. Anyway, this is the fabric. These are all the colors. Oops. These are all the colors in the kit. And then it will just be a simple 3x4 type of structure. And then it doesn't even have binding, which I find kind of odd because you just sew it and then leave a space for turning and flip it. But anyway, the fabric that they shorted me on is actually the backing piece. But I also need to be able to have 2 squares just like these 4 colors. So I've decided what I'll do, and I don't know why I didn't figure this out 9 years ago. I will go ahead and cut these squares out of this that I need, and then just use minky or, yeah, probably minky on the back, either green or purple or something. I'll find something and make it work. So hang on for the ride and I will see you shortly, I guess. I mean, everything's all cut out besides the green stuff, but we'll see how this goes. I'd like to finally finish this. To finish this today. The binding is hand stitched on the back, so that always takes longer, but it really looks nicer. So here is the finished 9-year-old abandoned project, and I kind of match it today, which is pretty cool because the sewing room is purple and I'm wearing green, purple and green. Overall, I'm very happy with how this turned out. I have decided that I'm going to list it in my Etsy shop. If you would like to visit me there, I would love to have you there. The link is in the description. Sewn and Thrown Studio is the name of it if you just want to search for it. Me and my husband Jake are hoping to boost that, so if you're watching this recently, you could be the lucky owner of this great quilt. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft because the purple is soft, the binding is soft, and of course the minky backing is very soft. It has my artist mark on the back, so you can definitely tell that it's homemade because I'm still really bad at freehand letters. I could trace them out, but I'm just too lazy. So anyway, I would love to know what the longest project you have been working on is, whether it's a cross stitch, a quilt. Did you abandon it for a long time and then get back into it? Did you lose it and find it again? I would love to know. Please let me know down in the comments. See you next time. Bye!